So, in the third part, we will focus on the mathematics about it. Okay. First of all, so we need to give the sum notation in here. Okay. This is complex. X can be considered as the P data. Okay. And so, what's the meaning of this? A real image drawn from the data distribution. Okay. And Z is equalized to PZ. Okay. What's the meaning of this? This is a noise vector. PZ is the normal distribution with the mean values of the 0 and I. Okay. So if we have the 64 feature vector in here, and so we have the 64 random normal distributions in here. G theta Z is given by the what generator. Okay. What's the theta in here? Theta means that the neural network coefficients. Okay, that's it. So this is the spread of its output defines PG, and also the phi should be given in here as in terms of the discriminator. Okay, which means that the phi x in 0 and 1. Okay, this all the time checks the what, it's real or fake. Okay, that's it. So first of all, we should define the value function, which means that the minimax game. This is such kind of the what reinforcement learning or the Bellman value function in here. In the control theory and mechatronics, you should see this value function as the energy function or the Lyapunov function. Okay, but the good fellow and et al. Defined as a minimax gain this value. Okay, first of all, we should give the minimize in here and the maximize v d g. But what is minimize? Minimize g, maximize d. Okay, and so what is the exact representation of these terms? V d g is equals to what the expected values of the what x p data distribution, which is given here, should be analyzed with what the log dx plus e expected values of the z. This is the random vector, p is z distributions in here, and the log 1 minus d jet g z. Okay, d wants to what? V high, recognize real or fake. G is also wants to what? The low. It tricks to the what? To the value function, fooling to the discriminator. Okay, why do we need to use the logarithmic case in here? Because it's just kind of the between the 0 to 1. The binary decision can be evaluated easily by using the logarithmic scales in here. Okay, so we need to define also binary cross entropy function. Okay, per sample form that we actually code in here. Okay, and so for a target label y in 0 and 1 and the prediction p can be defined with what? Dx, and so the BCE can be defined with the parameters of the p and y in here, which is equals to the minus y times log p plus 1 minus y times log what? 1 minus p. Okay, This is the binary cross entropy function. It looks like the binary classification problem that we have also processed in the previous lessons. Okay? And so, the real image is equalized to the y, which means that the real image y is equals to the 1. Okay? And so the BCE is equalized to the what? The log values of dx. Okay? And the fake image y is equals to the 0. And so the BCE is equals to the minus log values 1 minus dz c. Okay? If the dx is small, and so it goes to the 1. If the dgz is small, it goes to 0. And so this completes the what? The minimizing these two BCA term over d is identical with the maximizing. Gilbert Strange staged or explained this phenomena, or the Newton explains this phenomena in the what? In the kinetic and the potential energy form of these terms. Okay? So, this is the binary cross. But, what is the optimal discriminator in here? This is also important. And so, we need to freeze the G and solve for the best D problems in here. Okay? And so, how can we do that? We can do this the maximizing A times log D plus B times log 1 minus D by setting derivative to 0 gives us to what? D is equal to the A divided by A plus B. Okay? Which means that if we are going to do what? A is equals to the B, we will get 0.5. Which means that we cannot either the picture is real or not. Everything, it looks like the real, even if they are fake. Okay? But what if this is the discriminator conditions, but what G is really minimizing in here? As I said, we should plug in the star values in here, which means that which is equals to what? 0.5 into V dg collapses after algebra, which means that V d star G, which is equals to what? Minus 4 log 4, because 1.2 1 divided by 2 is given here, and plus 2 times GSD Jensen-Shannon divergence in here, P data P G. Okay, so these are the punchline for what? Training G to beat the optimal D is mathematically the same as driving the generated distribution toward the real one data, which means that in a simple, if you can create or minimize the performance of the discriminator or is converging to the what? The G is equals to the 0.5, you can win. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Okay, and so how we can train these networks in here to update cases? How can we do that? So the step D can be given with the what? We have the phi is equals to the phi plus eta times grad phi times we have the log dx in here plus log 1 minus d gz in here. What about the generator? Generator has the theta is equals to the theta minus eta times. Why is minus? Because it's minimizing. Why is plus? It's maximizing. Okay, and so the grad theta times log 1 minus d jet z. Okay. This is our cases. And also we should add one more trick in here to stabilize the training, non-saturating trick. This is important because the early in training the reject fakes easily. For example, if you have $1 and so this dollar should be green, right? But if your generator generates to what the red dollar, and so it easily removes it. Okay, and so log 1 minus d g z is nearly flat, which means that the flat creates the gradient, which is equals to what? 0, which means that the g gets no learning signal in here, cannot learn. And good fellows fix this instead of having g minimize to what? Log 1 minus d g z, we have g maximize log d g z. These are the identical, which means that the theta is equals to the theta plus eta times grad theta times log d g z. This is a mathematical trick, guys. Okay, nothing more. So these are topics about the philosophy behind the guns, the technical theory, and the math can be given by using these cases easily. And so in the next week we will create at least 2 example sessions about generating the fake data, especially for the mechatronic engineering and especially for the generating fake images based on this idea. Okay? Any question?